In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a logo to the header on Wix. Adding your logo to the header is a quick way to brand your site and make sure your identity appears consistently across pages. We'll do everything inside the Wix editor, and I'll walk you through it step by step so you feel confident by the end. First, make sure you're in the Wix editor, not in preview. On your canvas, move your cursor near the top of the page and click the header area to select it. You'll know it's selected when you see a bounding outline and a small label indicating it's the header. The header is a site-wide section, which means anything you place here will repeat on all pages, keeping your brand visible throughout your site. Now, let's bring in your logo. Click the Add button, then choose Image, and go to My Uploads. In the Upload window, select your logo file from your computer. For best results, a high-quality PNG with a transparent background looks clean on most designs, but JPG and SVG can also work depending on your needs. Keep an eye on file size and clarity. Crisp edges make a big difference in your header. Once it's uploaded, select your logo from My Uploads to add it to your site. With the logo on your canvas, click and drag it into the header area. When it's inside the header, you'll notice it snaps into place with helpful guides. Position it where you want it. Many brands place it on the left, others prefer centered. Use the resize handles to adjust the logo so it's legible but not overpowering. A common guideline is to keep the logo height modest, often around the same height as your header, so everything feels balanced. If something overlaps your logo, simply bring the logo to the front so it remains visible. You'll see smart alignment lines as you move it. Use those to keep spacing consistent with your menu or buttons. As you fine-tune, think about readability and contrast. Your logo should stand out against the header background. If the colors are similar, consider lightening the background or using a version of your logo that pops more. It's also a good habit to add descriptive alt text to your logo later for accessibility and SEO. And that's it. You selected the header, uploaded your logo through Add, Image, My Uploads, and dragged it into place. Take a moment to preview your page and make small tweaks until the spacing, size, and alignment feel just right. Your brand is now clearly visible in the header across your site.